Hi guys, this is DP56 and welcome back to Kill It With Fire. Last time we did first close encounters and domestic encounters. Now, seems like we're going to a shop. There seems to be quite a new stuff you can get, free equipment, one new flavour expected shop and quite a few objectives, so let's hop in. Wrong button. Hop in! Okay, what's this? Oh, while we're doing this, let's... What the hell? Explosive? Okay, we need to buy expensive stuff, so it's always going to be the wine. I got a win here, don't I? Energy drinks, that might help in some way. Anyway, where's the spider? Don't blow up the one. Oh, shiny! Ah! Okay, I need whatever's in there. Energy drink. First of all, time to slow down. Seems like time's moving slower to me. Okay, let's test out how slow they go. Oh, you're dead, mate, you're dead. Can I scan this? No. Can't scan it, okay. Where is the spider? Okay, burn them. Immune to fire, eh? Doesn't mean you're immune to bullets. Got it, that's good. Yellow container. Oh, anyway, we're back door somewhere. There, okay. Frying pan at the ready. Going in. It's the only way we can go, so bye. Open sesame. I see you. It's a blast. Oh yeah, you exploded with gas cans then. Objective. Have a blast. What does that mean? A propane tank. Seems great. Gonna blow up stuff. Stay still. yellow containers in there? Silence of pistol. Nice. Weird symbol. Oh, this is nice. Spice explosion. Oh, you're dead, mate. Next bird. Thanks. Get it out. We're getting more Molotovs. Seems to be a way I can get up there. Don't know what to do now. How can I get this door open? Yeah, it didn't work. Ooh, there's a gas can. There we go. I'm trying to get in. Even possible. Oh, that's what I was supposed to do. Oh wait, these could have been opened. Yeah, that would have been helpful to notice that. Okay, we're moving forward. What is this? I won't call this back in business. Portable toilet. Oh, put trash bags in dumpsters. What did I just do? Oops. Yep, the ambulance is definitely supposed to be here. Oh, thanks to the Molotovs, mate. Here's one back. Ooh, there's the portable toilet. What's this? Oh yeah, I can change my loadout. Let's unassign this. That's not what I was meant to unassign. I'm getting really confused with buttons. I accidentally... there. I need something that costs a lot of money. Kerosene soaked bullets. It's got to be something. This has to be scalable, right? Wait. I pressed button to clear. I did not see that. Toilet paper has to be expensive. Just go. What would be expensive? I can't think of anything here that costs a lot of money. Oops. Anyway, let's just put the trash out, I guess. Sorry, bug. Get in there. Stay there. Yes. There, no. Okay. I'm just gonna actually head to the next level because I can't think of anything else to do. Let's go to this temple. Something like Is this a maze or? Okay. Garden of Evil. Interesting. Anyway. Let's do this. And let's go. What makes this garden so evil? Seems really beautiful. I can see why now. Yeah, miss me, eh? Okay, it doesn't multiply. Beacon's bright. Does that mean I have to do this? Is that what it is? I have many shots left, so I'll use this instead. delicious. What? So what does that help with the riddle? Was she here before? All I hear is death. Okay, this thing's going to shotgun. That's amazing. Oh no! Can it wear off now? What's that? There we go. Oh. Yeah, you came a long time to come out now. All these guys are dead now. Okay. Life imitates art. Okay, understand it. That's all burn. Burn. Shit. Kill a web spider. I thought I killed one earlier. There it is. I can start to see why this is called the Garden of Evil. The spiders are really evil here, aren't they? Okay. So, is that it? No, but okay. This one's got a curve. This one's got a curve. Oh, I can press X to flip it. You dare! Get off. Just say no. Achievement. Okay, nothing else to do. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Looks burnable. Anyway. I'm going to film just in a random garden with never mind. Hide and seek, are we playing? One's here. One's here. Boom! I'll come get you in a minute. Boom, boom. Yeah, I saw you. Is that where the one that I shot in midair? Molotovs randomly behind a statue. These statues are everywhere. Also, how am I supposed to get this cat? Ugh. This is annoying because I don't have to sprint. just grab this. Oops. Might not get that back. Okay. Yeah, I see you. Okay, we need to find these cats. Where the cats be at? There has to be more cats. Where the cats be at? And one. Yeep. Where is this cat? Way in the tree. Where are they? Oh, if you play as the spiders, this is basically a horror game. There's a person coming around with a grass cutter trying to hunt you down. Wait a minute. That's what I need to be doing. My word, this could take a while. Well, okay, so said solve the riddle. Ooh, I think we have all the cats. Just now because I hid them everywhere. Really badly, but still. Oops, anyway. Size. Where's the other one? So that makes sense of the riddle size. This should be it. Either way, we haven't unlocked. We need to solve the riddle. want to waste energy since I need to go around the entire place. Dream landscaping. Yeah, basically I'm just decimating this entire hedge maze until I find what I need to find. For some reason. There's just weird gaps. Odd. The hidden paths. So the shrine is open. We did see a nose over there, but I don't think I can reach that. Oh, shurikens. Don't mess with me now, boys. Okay, what's the mission? Swiftly. That was not hard. Should I go for it? No. Let's get these equipped. Oh no, I'm not doing that. No. I'm leaving. No point, I don't think there's that many left. Wait a minute, 23 were left. Ew. Music is kind of good. Barnstormer. Is that a hidden level? Seems like it. Anyway, so let's go over all the stuff we have. Yeah, we've gained an energy drink, gasoline, silenced pistol, shimmer, and shurikens. And I want to do my I have enough. Well, I guess I'm going to end it here. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!